Hello and welcome to my channel. I've come to the seafront on Boxing Day and it's rather wet. Just to see what's actually open on the seafront and if there's anybody here. And as you can see, the amusements are open. And I've just been inside and there is people in there. So anybody who wanted to know what the seafront's like on Boxing Day, here it is. I think it's pretty much just the amusements what's going to be open. I don't think any of these chip shops or the obviously the little gift shops are going to be open today. So it's just a quick video of the just this bit of the seafront, as it is raining quite hard, and I don't think this camera's waterproof either, so obviously I don't want to damage it. I hope everybody's had a good Christmas. Thanks for watching all the videos what I put on this year. There will be more to come next year. As it says in the title, this is Boxing Day 2021, I believe it was. So I just thought I'd just show you this video, what's actually been on YouTube for a couple of years. It just sort of shows that everything is, well, the amusements are open on Boxing Day. I think even on Christmas Day, some of the amusements are open as well. So even Christmas Day. Some of the amusements will be open. So if you're in Yarmouth 2023 this year, some of the amusements will be open. Cafe open? I think it is. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to keep commenting and share. That gives you the points for the list next week. I'll speak to you soon. More to come.